Hey everybody, it's Jason back with All-Star Welding in Seneca, South Carolina. As you can see, I've got on my lucky hat, but I'm not the one that needs a lucky hat, you do. And let me tell you why. So about 9 months ago, I started this YouTube channel. I've got 35, 38 videos, and I've already hit 500 subscribers. And from the bottom of my heart, I really want to thank each and every one of you. I really appreciate it. Because I really enjoy making videos, and I hope I'm helping somebody out. So to mark this first milestone of what I hope is going to be many milestones, I am giving away this brand new Harbor Freight titanium Flux 125 welding machine to one lucky winner. And I even bought the 1 year extended warranty. I'm going to cut a little slit in the top of the box, and I'm going to put the receipts in there. And I've already checked with my local Harbor Freight store. They said all you need are those receipts. If something happens, you can bring it to your local store and swap it out under warranty. So let me tell you the rules. It's really simple. All you got to do is subscribe to my channel. You have to hit the like button for this video, and make sure that you hit that notification bell so that you'll know, if you're going to be the winner. And 3, you have to leave a comment down below, and in your comment all you have to do is say subscribed and liked. That's it. That's all you got to do. April 1st, no, it's not a April Fool's joke. April 1st, that's a month and about 2 weeks away. I'm going to do another video, and it's going to be the drawing for the lucky winner of this. And there's a couple other little stipulations. You have to live in the lower 48 United States. I'm not going to try to ship this off to Indonesia or Australia or Guam or anything like that. So make sure that you're in the lower 48 states. And when I draw the name for the winner, you've got 10 days to get in touch with me. Let me know that you're the winner, and the very next day I will ship this out to you. It's that easy. So again, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and in the comments below, all you got to do is write subscribed and liked. And out of all those comments, I'm going to pick one random winner, and this is yours, buddy. And again, I want to thank you for all of my subscribers, and thank you for letting me hit that 500 subscriber mark. And next I'm going to shoot for 1,000. So let's see how long that takes. But I really appreciate it, and good luck. Make sure that you follow those rules, because I'm going to be checking. Subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below that says subscribed and liked. That's all you got to do. And again, make sure that you hit that notification bell so that you'll know when I make that next video. And put your lucky hat on, or your rabbit's foot, whatever you got to do. And let's make somebody happy on April 1st.